Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to S Online. In this particular video, we will see the most important details, recruitment details, which is coming from Department of Space, Government of India, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Okay, ISRO released a detailed notification for recruitment of scientist or engineer SC with BE, B.Tech or equivalent degree in electronics, mechanical, computer science, civil, electrical, refrigeration and air conditioning and architecture. If you are belonging out of all important category, then you can apply, but at first you have to know the all important details. So be with us, and you have to download the official PDF from to visit the official website of the ISRO, and you can also download this PDF from the description part of this video to know all important terms which is mentioned in the PDF. Okay, here it is mentioned online application are invited from meritorious graduate for the following vacancies of scientist or engineer SC Group A gazetted post in constituent center units and Group A non-gazetted post in autonomous bodies of Department of Space in level 10. It is very much important for you all for your level 10 of pay matrix as here detail given. According to the post code, name of the post, tentative number of vacancies and tentative center or unit for posting mentioned. First post code is BE001 and the post name is scientist or engineer SC electronics. Total number of vacancies are 34, out of them 29 plus 5 for PWBD. Okay. And here centers are mentioned, you have to visit, you have to go through all important details. Okay, next post code is BE002, post name is scientist, engineer, SC, mechanical. Total number of posts are 26, all important place are mentioned. Next is BE003, scientist or engineers, SC, computer science, total number of posts 13, 10 plus 3. Scientist engineer SC civil, total number of posts are 10 and post code is BE004. Here detail for the posting place. Scientist engineer SC electrical BE005 post code, total number of vacancies or posts are 4. 2 posts for scientist or engineer SC refrigeration and air conditioning, post code BE006. Post code BE007, post name is scientist or engineer SC architecture, total number of released post is 2. Scientist engineer SC 1 post, civil autonomous body PRL and post code is BE004A. Okay, here educational qualification details is mentioned. For BE001 post code is if you have BE, B.Tech or equivalent in electronics and communication engineering with aggregate minimum of 65% of marks, average of all semester or CGPA 6.84 on a 10-point scale, then you are eligible. And GATE qualification, valid GATE score in electronics and communication engineering, paper code EC. Second post code BE002. If you have BE, B.Tech or equivalent in mechanical engineering with an aggregate minimum of 65% of marks, average of all semesters or CGPA 6.84 on a 10-point scale with valid GATE score in mechanical engineering, that's paper code is ME. Post code 3 BE003 BE, B.Tech in BE, B.Tech or equivalent in computer science engineering with an aggregate minimum of 65% of marks or CGPA 6.84 on a 10-point scale with a valid GATE score in computer science and information technology, post code is CS. BE004 BE, B.Tech or equivalent in civil engineering with an aggregate minimum of 65% of marks or CGPA 6.84 out of 10-point scale with valid GATE score in civil engineering, that's paper code is CE, paper code CE. BE 005, BE B.Tech or equivalent in electrical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering with an aggregate minimum of 65% marks, average of all semester or CGPA 6.84 or a 10-point scale with valid GATE score in electrical engineering double E postcode, that mean you are eligible. BE 06, BE B.Tech or equivalent in mechanical engineering with air conditioning and refrigeration or allied subject as electives or as a core subject in any of the semesters with an aggregate minimum of 65% of marks, CGPA 6.84 out of 10. Valid GATE score in mechanical engineering, ME postcode. BE 007, bachelor degree in architecture with aggregate minimum of 65% marks, 6.84 CGPA and valid GATE score in architecture and planning, paper code AR. BE 004A, BE B.Tech or equivalent in civil engineering with an aggregate 65% of marks, CGPA 6.84 out of 10 with valid GATE score in civil engineering, paper code CE, then you are eligible. Okay. And here note is given, graduation should have been completed within the stipulated duration of the course as prescribed by the university. Allied discipline in BE B.Tech acceptable under the above discipline are mentioned in the details. Okay. Now let's see all important details which is here mentioned. So this is most important form for you all. If you are fresher, if you are experienced, then you can also apply. Now let's see age limit 28 years as on, it will be calculated as on 17th of August 2026. Serving government employees are eligible for age relaxation as per the government norms or orders. Person with benchmark disability, SC, ST, OBC, non-creamy layer, PWBD, they are also eligible. Okay, but at the time duration of your document verification, you have to produce your age relaxation certificates. If you are belonging SC, ST, OBC, PWBD, EWS certificate, EWS category, then you have to produce all important certificate. Okay, so here all important details are mentioned in this part. Now let's see GATE instructions. Important instructions: candidate will be screened in for interview on the basis of GATE score 2025, GATE score 2026 score. The GATE paper and the subject of qualifying degree on the candidate must be as per the discipline mentioned above in the table, which is mentioned above in the table. Okay, candidates are advised to be careful while filling their GATE score, as the shortlisting will be based on the score filled in the online during screen procedure. So you have to fill your all important details carefully. Now let's see how to apply. The application for online registration will be hosted in the ISRO. The official website is here, www.isro.gov.in. Between 28th of July to 17th of August, the candidate registered under the NCS National Career Services portal and fulfilling the eligibility condition may apply duly following the procedure started. Application will be received only online only upon to the registration. Candidates application will be provided with an online registration number which should be carefully preserved for future reference. Okay, you have to produce NOC certificate if you are working in the state government, union government or autonomous bodies. There is a non-refundable application fee you have to pay if you are belonging EWS category, if you are belonging OBC category, if you are belonging unreserved category, rupees 250 through the internet banking, UPI, debit card, credit card. Okay, fee once paid will not be refunded in any circumstances. But if you are belonging SC, ST, PWBD and women category, then no, you have to pay any type of the application fee. That means you all are exempted to pay any type of the application fee. Okay. Now uploading of documents, you have to upload your all documents in JPG format, just like your scorecard, GATE scorecard. PDF format will be uploaded along with the application, and your qualification, age, category, NOC certificate you have to upload. For photograph, here details are mentioned. For signature, you have to know the details about the pixels, about the size, okay, and specimen. Now let's see selection process. The qualification prescribed is the minimum requirement and the same does not automatically make candidate eligible for the interview. Shortlisting of the candidates for interview in the ratio of 1:7 shall be based on the GATE score awarded and not on GATE marks or GATE rank. The candidate will be assessed based on the following attributes, just like attributes are here mentioned. Technical academic knowledge 40, you will get 40 marks, and general awareness in relevance to the area of specification 20, presentation communication skill 20, comprehension 10, and next is academic achievement for your institute type IITs, IISc, IST, NIT and institute along with NIRF top 20 institutions ranking 3 marks 10, and all important academic performance for CGPA 4, 2 and 3 according to the rank awarded in the candidate by the institute that will get. Qualifying criteria, unreserved and EWS GATE score will carry 50% and next 50% for interview, total aggregate 60%. Okay. For reserved category SC, ST, OBC, PWBD, various posts are reserved, 40% GATE score, 40% interview and 50% total, that means aggregate. For generation of the final panel, 50% weightage will be given to GATE score and 50% weightage for interview marks. So all right, reserved to the ISRO. After your selection, if you will select in the post, then you will get 56,100 per month in addition to the DA, TA, house rent and many of the important perks, group insurance, house building advance, leave travel concession and many more. Okay. So all important details are given, but you have to know the conditions. Only Indian nationals need to apply. The appointment are liable to be posted in any of the centers, units, Department of Space or Indian Space Research Organization. They are liable to be transferred to any such center at any point of the time need of their basis. Okay. ISRO or ICRB reserve absolute right not to fill up the post if it so decide and without assigning any reason. You have to visit the official website for more details, www.isro.gov.in/isro_centers.html or www.isro.gov.in/isrocenters.html for more details. If any information furnished online is found to be false, the candidate will not be interviewed and TA will not be paid. That means if you are belonging reservation category, you will get traveling allowance, but you have to show your tickets. Okay. And all right, reserved to the ISRO. That's all. Here important dates. Online application date for the online registration will start from 28th of July. Closing date for the online registration 17th of August. Last date for payment of fee for applicable category 19th of August 2026. So all important details are mentioned in this part. You have to visit the official website for more details and you can download this PDF from the official website and also from the description part of this video. So this is the end of this video. We will meet in next video. If you are eligible, if you are interested, so fill this form. Okay. So this is the end of this video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.